Alright guys, welcome to another video on the Web Security Academy, and today we're looking at password reset poisoning via middleware. So basically what we're trying to do is to craft our arbitrary host header and add it to the request, because the web application is vulnerable to host header injection, and that would craft a link for the reset password and send it to Carlos. And because Carlos is somebody who carelessly clicks any link that is sent to him, he will click it and we'll receive the token in our own email, and we'll use that particular token to reset Carlos's password, and we will have access to his account. So we'll just read the lab description for clarification, and if you're looking to try get your hands dirty, you can as well go to websecurityacademy.net and open an account and start practicing. So here it says this lab is vulnerable to password reset poisoning. The user Carlos will carelessly click on any links in emails that he receives. To solve the lab, log into Carlos's account. You can log into your own account using the following credentials: Vienna and password Peter as usual, and any mail sent to this account can be read via the email client on the exploit server. So just follow me as I walk you through this lab, and so you can see how it's done. So let's go to my account. Alright, right here, so we'll click on the forgot password. But first of all, we have our Bob suite running in the background. We'll just clear the previous request so we can see the new requests when they come in. So forgot password, and here we're prompted to enter our username or email. We'll just use our username, so click on Vienna, we use Vienna. Let's submit that. Right, now we'll go back to our BOP and we'll get the post request / forgot - password. So we'll be sending that to repeater. Control R. The hell is going on? Send to repeater. So we'll send that to repeater, and what we're going to do is we're going to add our exploit server to this request with the X forwarded host. Alright, so we'll add X forwarded minus host and then colon. So we'll copy our exploit server address. So let's go to exploit server. I think my network is a bit slow. Alright, so this is our exploit server address. So we're just going to copy that exploit and .net. So we'll go Control C, and then we can go back to our BOP and we'll paste that just right here. And so instead of Vienna, we'll change the name to Carlos, because we're trying to compromise Carlos's account. So So we'll send that request, and here we have 200. Okay, so let's check our exploit server and see if we received anything in the access log. And you see right here, this is the request we're looking for, and you can see get forgot temp forgot password, and the token equals to, this is the exact token we're looking for, right? So we're just going to copy this token, Control C, and we're going to paste it here, and then we're going to go back to our exploit server and go back to our email and copy the reset password email sent to us. Here it is. So we'll copy this entire line. Okay, copy link. So we'll copy this and we'll come here and we'll paste it right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove our own token, and we'll be leaving just the token we've generated for Carlos, right? And token equals to, and then we click enter. So we're going to put in a new password for Carlos. So let's just say new password, and confirm password again, password. Let's submit that. Okay, so that worked, and then we'll go back to login and we'll try to log in as Carlos now, Carlos, and password as password. So let's click on login, and it says your username is Carlos, your email is Carlos at blah blah blah, and congratulations, you solved the lab. Thank you for watching. Please like, and you can check my bio for other videos on my YouTube. Just like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.